This is the 1997 Sun Tracker 18-foot bass buggy. The upholstery is going to have to be done. It's completely rotted out. You can see it's pretty rough. It does have a good top on it. The boat's in good shape. Let's see, they had it at Blue Mesa last year, and they used to take it to Blue Mesa once a year and take it to Lake Powell once a year. The pontoons are in good shape. It's a local boat. It's got the 50-horse Mercury Force outboard. We've got a replacement lens for that tail light. This tire here is brand new on the trailer on this side, but I think the other one probably should be replaced. One owner. And you can see the upholstery's pretty rough.